Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your girl Crystal and we in the kitchen because it's time for cooking with Crystal. Today I'm going to be making a steak in my air fryer and y'all, I'm so excited about this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, you guys, so as you can see here, I'm just adding some pepper to my steak. I'm going to be keeping this real simple. I'm going to do salt and I'm going to do pepper. I really want to allow the natural flavors that's in this steak, this beautiful piece of red meat that I have, to come through. I'm having some technical difficulties with my salt shaker. All right, it's working now. But yeah, so I'm just going to be adding salt and pepper, and then on the end, when I'm done cooking my steak, I am going to be adding a garlic herb butter. So that's going to be good. But yep, so just make sure you generously add your salt and pepper to both sides of your steak. And then after that, I'm going to set my air fryer. I'm putting my air fryer on the highest temperature. Mine goes up to 410 degrees. So whatever the highest temperature is on your air fryer, you want to do that, 400, 410, whatever that is. And I'm going to set it for 10 minutes, even though I'm only going to be cooking my steak for about 8 minutes. And that's because I'm going to let it preheat. So I did 11 minutes. And I'm going to let it preheat. Now, back to my steak. I'm going to mush in the little salt and pepper that I put on there. And another thing you want to do that I did is I set my steak out and let it get to room temperature. So you want to let your steak get to room temperature before you actually cook it. Now it's time to go into the air fryer, you guys. You hear that sizzle? I love it. If you want to spray your little grate or whatever with some Pam, you can. I did not. I didn't spray it with anything, and that was not an issue for me. What you're gonna see when I flip this steak over, halfway through I am going to flip the steak. We are halfway, so it's time to flip the steak. All right, so just a little quick flip action, and it's cooking on both sides, but I don't know, I just feel like for even cooking, the way that my air fryer is set up, I don't know, I wanted to flip it. I felt like I should flip it, treating it like it's on a real grill or something like that. So I flipped it and I turned it a little bit. So but then just close your air fryer and let it get back to cooking. And my little 8.5 minutes are up. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to sear my steak. So I have some of that garlic herb butter in this pan, and I just dropped my steak right down on there. I'm going to sear each side for about 15 to 20 seconds. I didn't want to really cook the steak up any more degrees. I just wanted to get that sear on it because I like a nice sear. So that's what I'm doing, searing both sides. Maybe I let it sear for like 25 seconds on each side. But, oh, look at how beautiful, you guys. It's looking really good, but the true test is when I cut it open and see how it is. I like my steak a nice medium to mid-rare. Okay, you guys, here is the moment of truth. Let me cut it open. It's looking pretty. Yes, you guys, look at this. It's perfect. It's perfect. You guys, that steak turned out really well. I love to have my steak cooked a nice medium to mid-rare. It wasn't overcooked at all, so that timing was perfect for me. If you're trying to have your steak cooked like, you know, more done, like done or well done or something like that, I would say for every degree that you want your steak to be cooked more, add an extra minute to a minute and a half in the air fryer. But honestly, it came out juicy, it came out good. Oh, I loved it. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Get down with the get down. One time Team Jones. Thank you again so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. It really means a lot to me that y'all watch these cooking videos, y'all. All right, until next time. Peace.